Hey, all right, for math, we're going to be finishing chapter 2 and working into chapter 3. So chapter 2 is super easy. You're going to do your review of all the things that we learned. Remember, we talked about these ones right here. I'm going to tell you right now, they're not really on your test, so just be able to do that part. Okay, so here is your math reviewing this. Then here is your test. Not hard at all. Mom and Dad cannot tell you the answers. You can try it and do the best you can. If you need help reading the word problem at the bottom, that's fine, but they can't tell you what to write or what to do. And then the following couple of days, it's going to be about place value. It's going to understand where the 10s are, where the 1s are. So here's this funny little story here. You're going to read about this guy serving with math and what he did. And then here on the back, see right here, it says Matt and Patty. So that's what this is. Then this has some different things. So how are the numbers 19 and 91? How are they the same and how are they different? Just going to tell me a little bit about how they're different. Then here you're going to figure this out and figure this out. And then we're doing the same thing over here on the next page. So this one is, right, that's 21. So then you're going to figure out here, you're going to circle the groups of 10, and then tell me how many is left. Circle the groups of 10, tell me what's left. Circle the groups of 10, and so on. Are the numbers odd? Are they even? And then here you're going to draw a picture, and then you're going to do it. So you're just going to draw these little 10 frame bars and practice that here, odd and even. I don't think it's going to be too hard for you. You're pretty quick when it comes to those things. I'm not worried about you at all. Then the next one is decade numbers. Decade numbers means you're using the 10s. The 10s, every 10 years is a decade. So 10, 20, 30, 40. So right now we're in the decade 2020. That's 10 years from 2010 to 2020. That's where we're at in a decade. So here, these decade numbers, what's this one? This one is 10. So you're going to fill in the 10 bubble. You're going to write the number 10. Then you're going to go here. You're going to tell me, how many 10s is this? Looking here, how many 10s is this? How do you write the word? Down here, you're going to tell me the missing decade numbers here. You're going to tell me how many is this in these 10 frames? And is it odd or even? I'm going to give you a hint. If it ends in a 0, it's probably going to be even. Then over here on this side, you've got this one. You have to write the word, the number, how many 10s there are. So if it's 20, how many 10s is it? 2. And then you're going to draw me a little picture with the dots. So you're going to have quite a few dots in this one because this one is 80. And then down here is a review. Super duper quick. I think you can get that done, no problem. And then today, it wasn't too bad. This is when you are decomposing a number. It's just noticing what's in the tens place, what's in the ones place. So let's just say we have the number 62, right? If I have the number 62, the tens place and the ones place, right here, I have this little boxy here. In the tens place, I have 6. In the ones place, I have 2. So if I had 62 and I wanted to decompose it, it would be, what are my tens? 60. What are my twos? Or my ones? 2. So then I have that. Now I could draw a picture of it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I have 6 10 frames, and then I can draw 2 little squares. So that's what you're going to do here on this page. Not too bad. I think you can handle it. It's 10s, decomposing these numbers. And then this one has this one. So how would you show one more? So if I had 62, what's one more than 62? One more is going to be 63. And then how would I show one less? So 62, subtract 1 equals 61. So that's what you would be doing. You're going to be doing here. It's going to ask you these questions. Just fill in the blanks, figure it out. And then here on the back, really easy, which one matches? So you've got 84. Which one of these is 84? And then some review. That's math. Shouldn't be too bad. I think you can handle it. It's just knowing where the numbers belong. What are the number spots? What are 10s, 1s? How do you represent 10s and 1s with pictures? Things like that. Alrighty. If you have any questions, let me know.